right, back in Fillmore. I am at KB Homes Citrus Grove. They've got very unique product out here. They've got some 3-story homes that are all adjoined like townhomes. And then you've got these 2-story paired homes, which are great. The wild thing is we're coming into the mid 4s, where we're starting, actually the upper 4s, 474, 480, give or take. But it's one of the first times I've seen KB Home ever offer a plan with balconies. And I knew that when I sold for KB Homes, it was one of the things they always shied away from. So it's nice to see them step into the modern age. KB's a great builder. So anyway, out here in Fillmore, we are 30 minutes, give or take, to Santa Clarita, 30 minutes to Oxnard, 30 minutes to Moore Park. But as you look around, it's just a beautiful place. You've got restaurants nearby, you've got all sorts of conveniences, and you've got good things that are happening out here. Would love to get you inside, have you take a look. But right now they are sold out for their first initial phases, and that's always changing. So let's get you on the interest list. I can help you do that. Very flexible builder to work with. And if you need more information, by all means, I am here to help. As far as neighborhood amenities, I'm not quite sure yet. So we're going to find out some more of that on Sunday. So as we're back out here right now, the sales office is closed midweek. So how you like that? Anyway, if you need to make an appointment, want to see more, give me a call. John Bauer, 303-261-6478, 303-261-6478. Again, out here at Citrus Grove with KB Home. Absolutely a wonderful area. Got it, something worth taking a look at. So give me a call.